Are you constantly feeling tired, mentally foggy, or struggling with low energy even after a full night's sleep? The real problem might not be your schedule. It could be a nutrient deficiency. In today's video, we're talking about one of the most important vitamins for energy, brain health, and nerve function, vitamin B12. Now, what exactly is vitamin B12? Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that your body needs to produce red blood cells, maintain healthy nerves, support DNA production, and convert food into usable energy. Without enough B12, your body simply cannot function at its best. So what happens if you take vitamin B12 before bed? First, let's understand something important. Vitamin B12 supports your nervous system and helps regulate the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for your sleep-wake cycle. When your B12 levels are balanced, your circadian rhythm can function more efficiently, which may support better sleep quality over time. Second, B12 plays a critical role in overnight repair. While you sleep, your body enters recovery mode. Vitamin B12 supports nerve regeneration and brain cell maintenance. This can help improve mental clarity, reduce brain fog, and support long-term cognitive health. Another powerful benefit is heart protection. Vitamin B12 helps lower homocysteine levels, an amino acid that, when elevated, increases the risk of heart disease. Supporting cardiovascular health while your body rests at night is a major advantage. Vitamin B12 also influences mood balance. It plays a key role in serotonin production, the good-feel neurotransmitter. Balanced serotonin levels can support relaxation and emotional stability. Now let's talk about dosage, because this is very important. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for adults is about 2.4 micrograms per day. Pregnant women typically need around 2.6 micrograms, and breastfeeding women need about 2.8 micrograms daily. However, many supplements contain much higher doses, often 500 to 1,000 micrograms, because vitamin B12 absorption can be limited, especially in older adults or people with digestive issues. Since vitamin B12 is water-soluble, excess amounts are usually excreted in urine, but you should always consult a healthcare professional before taking high doses. Here's something crucial. Vitamin B12 can boost energy levels. Some people feel more alert after taking it. If that's you, it may be better to take B12 in the morning rather than at night. But if it doesn't stimulate you, nighttime use may work fine, especially if you're correcting a deficiency. Who is most at risk for low B12 levels? Vegetarians, vegans, adults over 50, people with digestive disorders like IBS, and those taking medications such as metformin or acid reducers are more prone to deficiency. Common symptoms of low B12 include extreme fatigue, weakness, pale skin, tingling in the hands and feet, memory issues, and mood changes. The best natural sources of vitamin B12 include meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, and fortified cereals. Supplements are available in tablets, capsules, and sublingual forms for better absorption. To summarize, vitamin B12 supports energy production, nerve repair, brain health, heart protection, and mood balance. While it's not technically a sleep supplement, maintaining healthy B12 levels can help your body repair efficiently overnight and support better overall wellness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips. Comment below and let me know, do you take your B12 in the morning or at night? Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.